Hello guys, in this video you will understand the difference between single equal, double equal and triple equal signs in JavaScript. The single equal sign is used to assign values to a variable in our JavaScript code. So I'm going to comment all this out. So for instance, I can create a variable. So I'm going to create a variable called my name, which is going to be equals to Victor. So I can console.log my name, and it's going to print out the value of Victor, my name, which is Victor. So a single equal sign is basically used to assign values to a variable. Now let's talk about the double equal sign and the triple equal sign in JavaScript. The double equal sign and the triple equal sign are used to check values. They are both used to check values. On my terminal console here, if I should write 10 equals to 10, it's going to print out the value of 2, as you can see here. Now I can also write 10 triple equals to 10, which is also going to give me 2. Both this double equal sign and the triple equal sign are used to check the values. The values on the left hand side is 10 and the values on the right hand side is 10. The same thing for the triple equal signs as well. But the only difference between the double equal sign and the triple equal sign in JavaScript is that the double equal sign is only checks the value, whereas the triple equal signs will check both the values and the data type of what's available on the left hand side and the right hand side. So now for instance, if we create a string here of 10 and we type it double equals to 10, it's still going to print out true. But now let's type 10 triple equals to 10. So right now you can see it's showing me false, because it's printing out false because this 10 here is a string. The data type of this is a string, whereas the data type of this value at the right hand is an integer. So this is the reason why it's printing out false. So the only difference between the double equal sign and the triple equal sign in JavaScript is that the double equal sign will check only the values, whereas the triple equal signs will check both the values and the data type of what's available on the left hand and on the right hand side. So it's going to compare it together to give you the result, either it's true or false. So I believe you've learned something valuable in this video. So subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I publish new videos. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Have a nice day.